Introduction. What is camouflage? Animals use camouflage to hide. They use their color or their shape to hide. Sometimes you can't see the animals. Can you see the fish? Where is the frog? What animal is hiding in the tree? Camouflage. Animals use camouflage to hide from other animals. This tiger is using camouflage to hide in the grass. The tiger has fur on its body. The fur has stripes. The stripes help the tiger to hide in the grass. Some animals look the same as trees or flowers. Birds have feathers on their body. This bird has brown and white feathers. The bird is hiding in a tree. It's the same color as the tree. Can you see the bird? This spider hides on flowers. On yellow flowers, the spider is yellow. On white flowers, it's white. Animal homes. Many animals are the same color as their home. This helps them to hide. Let's find a caterpillar. This green caterpillar lives on a green leaf. The caterpillar is good at hiding. It looks the same as the leaf. Many animals that live in trees are brown or green. Can you see this monkey? It's hiding in the trees in a rainforest. This mother harp seal is gray. She swims in the gray water. Her baby is white. The baby seal lives on the white ice. The mother and the baby are using camouflage to hide. Winter and summer. In winter, there's lots of snow and ice in very cold places. The animals have white fur or feathers, so they can hide. Here's an Arctic fox in winter with its white fur. Here's a grouse with its white feathers. The fox and the grouse are using camouflage. In summer, the snow melts. Some animals get new fur or feathers. Their home isn't white now. See how the Arctic fox has brown fur in summer. The grouse has brown summer feathers. Her chicks have brown feathers too. When more snow comes in winter, the animals are white again. In the grass. Lots of amazing animals live in Africa. They hide in the tall grass. Some animals hunt other animals. It's evening, and here's a hungry lion. The lion wants to hunt a gazelle. The lion is hiding, so gazelles can't see it. The lion is the same color as the grass. Gazelles use camouflage too. They are the same color as the grass. Gazelles hide so lions can't see them. When a lion sees a gazelle, the gazelle runs away. Gazelles can run very fast. A mother gazelle hides her baby in the tall grass. Lions don't see it there. In the water. Many animals use camouflage in the water. This frogfish lives next to coral. The fish looks the same as the coral. Can you see the fish? This flounder is a fish that lives at the bottom of the ocean. It looks the same as the stones. This hatchet fish lives in the deep ocean. It has very shiny scales. They look the same as a mirror. Light bounces off the scales, so other animals can't see the fish. The leafy sea dragon looks the same as a plant. Other fish want to eat it. A new color. Some animals can get a new color very fast. The cuttlefish is brown when it's on sand. When it goes on coral, it's many colors. It can make stripes and other patterns on its body too. This beetle is shiny yellow. When a bird comes to eat the beetle uses camouflage. The beetle gets a new color and a new pattern. Now it looks the same as a ladybug. The bird doesn't like eating ladybugs, so it goes away. Then the beetle can be yellow again. Is it a leaf? What's this? Is it a leaf? No, it's an insect called a katydid. It's amazing. It looks the same as a leaf. Here's another insect. It's called a leaf insect. When it moves, it looks the same as a leaf in the wind. The leaf insect can have holes in its body. This looks the same as a leaf when an animal eats it. Look at these leaves. Can you see the frog? It's using camouflage. This frog lives in a rainforest. Can you find the animal here? It's a leaf gecko. See how it looks the same as the leaf. What is it? Here's a stick insect. It looks the same as a small stick. At night, it eats leaves. In the day, it hides on plants and you don't know it's there. Are these stones? No, they are lithops plants. Animals think they are stones and they don't eat them. That's good camouflage. This caterpillar looks the same as a snake. It has 2 circles on its body. The circles look the same as a snake's eyes. When the caterpillar is scared, it makes the circles big. Lots of animals use camouflage to hide. How many animals can you find in this book?